Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, October 17th. The Zen story today is titled The Apple Left Unfinished. It began with an apple. Not a full one, not a perfect offering, but half eaten, left neatly on the monk's meditation cushion just after dawn. The bite was clean, curved with small teeth, and the flesh still white. Whoever had left it hadn't been gone long. He stood in the doorway, staring at it for a full minute. Then, without a word, he picked it up, stepped outside, and threw it into the trees. It thudded against the trunk and vanished into the undergrowth. He did not meditate this morning. The next day he rose earlier, lit no lantern, and opened the cabin door with a slow, deliberate calm. The cushion was empty. He allowed himself a small breath of satisfaction. But when he returned from fetching water, there it was again. Another apple, another bite, same teeth, same stillness. This time, he carried it outside in both hands and placed it on a rock at the edge of the clearing, as if offering it back to whoever or whatever had delivered it. On the third day, there were two apples, both bitten. One placed where he usually sat, the other balanced perfectly atop of the old bell on the altar. He sat on the floor instead. He did not ring the bell. By the fourth day, the apples weren't just bitten, they were arranged. One lay at the center of the cushion, one balanced on the windowsill, a third perched on the stack of firewood, tilted at an impossible angle, as if daring gravity to intervene. The monk stood in the doorway with his arms folded and whispered, "Why?" Not to the forest, not to the apples, but to the part of himself that still believed this could be solved. That night he lit no fire. He waited in the dark, sitting upright with the cushion beside him, empty finally. He kept his eyes open as long as he could, trying to catch the moment of arrival. He fell asleep without knowing it. When he woke at dawn, the cushion was once again occupied, not with apples, with a small pile of seeds, dozens of them, arranged in a spiral. He sat down on the floorboards, legs crossed, back straight. This time he did not move them. He didn't ask. Outside the window, just for a moment, a pair of red ears dipped below the tall grass. Take a comfortable position and, as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. Can you accept the mystery without trying to solve it? Can you accept the mystery without trying to solve it? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Can you accept the mystery without trying to solve it? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.